Good evening all, this is Alaska Crypto Guy, and today I wanted to make a short video on how to stop cold staking and redelegate your staking to your own address so you could switch from cold staking to hot staking in your own wallet. First thing, I had previously opened up my Hemis wallet. As you can see, I do have almost 5 Hemis available in my balance, which is currently cold staked. The easiest way to break that cold staking and switch back to hot staking would be to go in and first you want to select an address of your own, enter your wallet, choose on my addresses, pick any of the addresses that are in your wallet. I will choose that one. I'm going to copy that address. Then I'm going to move over to the Send tab in the wallet. I'm going to enter that address. Control V for paste. Next, just to make sure I get the right coins, which are currently cold staked, I'm going to go into Coin Control, and here you will see, think of them almost like bundles of coins that you have in your wallet. You can tell the ones that are cold staking here because they will have a little snowflake next to them, and it says which pool it's delegated to. I want to select that input, and then since I want to actually send all of these, I'm going to go ahead and choose the after fee balance. I'm going to copy that to the clipboard, choose OK. Then I'm going to paste that amount into the amount for the transaction, and I'm going to press send. Here you will see a little warning that says the transaction spends a cold stake delegated input. Looks like we will fix this display issue in an update to the wallet, but you can kind of get the point right now. The transaction spends a cold stake delegate. These cold coins will no longer be cold staked. Yes, I want to go ahead and do that. And you will see the transaction did complete. If I go back home, I can see a stake delegation spent by, and as soon as that transaction confirms, you will see these coins come back into my available balance. And then after the several hundred confirmations which are required for coins to start staking has passed, you will notice in the Hemis wallet that your staking goes back to active. I'm going to go ahead and turn off cold staking because that was an adventure that I no longer want to participate in. That's about all that I have to say about switching from cold staking to hot staking in your Hemis wallet. So if you have any questions, you are welcome to join us in our Discord channel or post a comment to this video. If you found it helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and keep on staking.